Hi, I'm Lily. I'm part of our Microsoft Teams team. When I first started using Teams on my mobile, I only thought of it as a way to take my meetings on the go. But now that I've started doing so much more, I wanted to share with you three things that you can do on the mobile app that you might not even realize you can do today. First, when you want a second screen to follow chat or the presentation while still seeing all attendance on the big screen, you can join a meeting from your desktop and mobile at the same time. Simply, when you're already on a meeting on desktop, join the meeting from your mobile device and then select the Add this device option to keep it smoothly running on both devices. Next, with the camera, you can share and customize visual content. In a chat or a post on a channel, tap on the camera icon to choose an image from your photo library. Once you have your image selected, you can edit it by adding a filter, cropping, adding text, or inking it to highlight something you want people to focus on. Confirm your changes, hit done, and you're ready to share. Now, for the final one that is quickly becoming one of my favorites, recording audio messages. Sometimes, when trying to solve a problem, it helps me to say it out loud, whether I'm sitting at my desk or on the go. In any case, I can just open a chat and record a voice note by holding the microphone. I can preview the message before I send, and then I can simply share it. Share your favorite ways to use Teams on mobile and try something new today, like leaving a voice recording for a teammate when you have an idea for a new YouTube video. Be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe.